Let's set the home page tabs in the Microsoft Chromium Web Browser. So if we want to set a whole bunch of different tabs to be our home page when we first open up the browser, we can do that. I'm going to set up some web pages right now, and then we'll go ahead and click that button that will set it as our home. I've added in, besides the Google homepage, I've added in LinkedIn, the New York Stock Exchange, and Facebook. So what I can do is click on these three little dots that you see at the top, and then I can click on Settings. Next, I'm going to go to On Startup, and it's going to say either open a new tab, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or pages. I'm going to choose that one, and I can say use all open tabs. So all the tabs that you see here, those first four, are now going to be my home page. Once that's done, I don't have to save it. It's saved automatically. I can just close it. Now let's see, I close that browser and open it back up again, and you can see all four of my same pages show up. Now you also notice that I have the home page showing up, but you might not see that on yours. So if you want to see that home page button again, just click on the three dots at the top, Settings, and then we're going to go to where it says Appearance, and just make sure you click on Show Home Button and turn it to On. And that way at any time you can go back and get your home page tabs up and your websites will all show up. So that's how you set the home pages in the Chromium-based version of Microsoft Edge.